Hello everybody and a good morning to the Metal Scrapper channel. Well, today it's morning, early morning, and there is a little shower heading this way, so need to hurry. Also got some Christmas trees already. We're going to melt some aluminium. Got a lot of aluminium waste and I want to turn it into some beautiful ingots, so let's go. Okay guys, we're just 2 minutes into the melt, but going to move everything inside because it's starting to rain. Hello, good morning chickens and rooster. Good morning. Hey, what do we got here? Haha. We have ourselves an egg. Nice. Let's see if there's more. Don't think so. And we need to clean the chicken coop. Well, thank you for this egg, chickens. Alright, so we let the last pour cool off a little bit. It's not totally solidified, I think. So let's quench the other two. Right now for the last one. I think this will be hot water. I'll be back with some cold water. Alright, back with some cold water, so let's see what we made today. This is the final pour, the last pour. I think this came out pretty awesome. I will not clean these bars up because I will probably remelt these in the future for another casting project. This was the second pour, a lot of bubbling on it. You can see it here. It was, I think, the aluminium. I had some pure and clean aluminium, but also the cans, and the cans are just dirty aluminium. And this big bar also came out pretty awesome. So let's weigh up the totals, how much we melted today, and that will conclude the video. So I'm here with the scales, and I'm doing it on the ground because I'm working in the shed. It's pouring outside, so it's not fun today. But let's see, the very first melt, 1559 grams, not bad. Second pour, 1103 grams, and the last pour, 991 grams. So that will give us a total of 3652 grams. Awesome. Right, I will not put the bars in the safe this time. This is the very last day of 2021. It's the December 31, and I need to prepare for to go to the next year. So I'll put them in the safe next year. So we'll see the when this video is showing, it's already 2022, but I'm filming this in 2021. I will put the bars in the safe next time, and I will show you the totals, how much the safe contains. So this is it. Hope you guys like this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up. Oh, there's a lot of water in it. Maybe it's a little bit lighter. Alright, so the total will be 3649 grams, but I will weigh them each separately again and stamp them with the weight. So I hope you guys like this video. If so, please like this video, leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to see a melting video every week. I melt every week. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button. I thank you for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.